Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the tool safe. Disconnect the spark plug or battery and wear gloves and glasses. Lay the trimmer on a flat surface so the head won't twist. Once done, find the locking tabs or the small screw that holds the Echo head cap. Use pliers to press tabs or a screwdriver to back out the screw a few turns. This releases tension so you can begin removing the head assembly without forcing parts and risking damage. Now you work the retention system. Press the tabs or remove the retaining nut while holding the head steady so the spool won't fling out. Pull the spool straight up to expose the spring and hub. Note which way the spring sits because orientation matters when reassembling. Once exposed, slide the spool hub off the drive shaft, checking the spline for wear. You should see where the line anchors. Clear any old line, debris, or snapped clips before fitting the replacement head. To finish, position the spring and spool in the same orientation you removed them and seat the hub onto the drive shaft. Thread or snap the new head into place and tighten the retaining screw or nut just until snug. Do not over-tighten. Echo heads rely on a little play. Reconnect the spark plug or battery and test at low throttle to confirm smooth rotation. If you hear wobble or slippage, stop immediately, recheck spring seating and spline engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.